I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Janie and I am back with another video, and as you can see from the title, this video is going to be a prank. But what you guys don't know is that it's going to be on numerous people and not just one person. So my plan was to prank one person, but then I came up with the idea, why not prank multiple people and put it into one video? So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already a part of the fam. What else? Share this video, tweet it, put it on Facebook, do whatever, text it to somebody, I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys give this video lots of love. Comment down below if you have any more pranks you'd like for me to do on anybody. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
There was a lot of people in there for no reason. So many people in there. You okay? Are you choking on pepper right now? You alright? Jane. You just water. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Are you okay? What the f? Are you for real right now? I know you was doing pranks and shit. Are you for real right now?
God dang it!
Let me get you something.
Did you give me a paper towel?
Yes.
Look where I had the camera.
Where is that?
Under the hat.
Oh, wow. Hey, fail. She failed.
Girl! Girl, go ahead!
How old am I? I said, you have my age there. I said, yeah. I'm 60 something years.
Girl, close your mouth! What the hell?
Can I drink water?
What is this? So you need to go to the hospital. What the hell is this? Are you okay? Jen, calm down. What's going on? Mommy, just don't scream. Just relax. What's wrong?
Drink water.
She's coughing blood. When did this start? Jen, what is going on? What is wrong with you? It's a prank! Girl, you're so irritating. Okay. I'm so sick of this damn girl with her dumb pranks. This girl pissed me the hell off, man. I swear to God. What the heck? What the? Babe.
What's up?
I'm bleeding.
Hold on. You okay? You need to go to the doctor? How you feel? Spit it out. Stand up.
Please give me some napkins.
Yeah. You good?
Hey, royalty. Right, asking what happened, and they was like, well, we can just like patrol the area and see if we see that car anywhere or blah 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 J or whatever. But that was really of no help. So scared for a good 30 minutes, just shaking. But I can't remember the license plate. It was CVJ 92. Oh, what Jay? Oh, bro, what the is going on today?
Tony!
What?
Where you going?
To get something cleaned up.
I don't know.
Jay,
What? Why are you doing what? I don't know what the heck.
I'm not laughing. What the f was that? Do you need to go to the doctor?
I don't know. Do I?
Too much. Bro, you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I got you.
Why would you do that? And I'm telling you.
Oh my goodness. She said, what is going on today? Girl, I'm like,
Today is just my day.
I was like, why you covering your mouth? You think it's contagious?
I thought you had tuberculosis.
I'm like, oh, hell no. I need some
Asshole, bitch. Oh my god.
I got my next picture.
Play too much. Royalty, you're on is childish.
I got her. Good.
Turn that shit off. Stop doing that. You just need to stop doing that. Like, it's not even worth crying over.
I'm tired of it. Like, I just feel like I didn't cry myself. Like, I've been just
It's not even worth
laying in
crying
bed all
over.
day
Like,
just thinking about it.
Oh.
It's just like,
we just gonna try. We're gonna do a trial to see how. Like, all that is bullshit. Like, it's bullshit. He come to like, oh, but when he come around, it's oh hey and all this. Like, we'll text for a little bit. Like, no, that whack. That over. Like, hell no. He been doing what he wanted to do. You just never caught it until now. What the hell? What did you eat? What did you eat? Can you breathe? Jane, can you breathe? What did you eat? What did you eat? How would you do that? That was dumb. Like, that was dumb. It's not even funny. Like, that was so dumb. Why would you do that? That was dumb. Like, why would you do something so dumb like that? Now you're gonna have these people calling me back. Like, that's so dumb. would you do that? Look at this.
I'll tell him it's a false alarm. Hello?
This is Houston Fire Medical. Received a call from this number. Do you have an emergency?
No, I'm so sorry, sir. It was a false alarm.
Not a problem. Thank you.
All right, bye.
That's so dumb. Why would you do that? So did you make up the story about Tara?
Yeah.
I knew it.
My battery's about to die. I'm so happy it didn't die. I finally got you. You promised I would never, ever get you. And I finally got you.
Though. Like,
Chrissy, you didn't know.
when you
Stop.
called me, what did I say when I called you?
Yeah. You said that, but you didn't. You believed it because you came out.
So where did you get the blood from?
We gon' be up till the sunlight comes. I won't get no sleep with you. Ain't no man above your love. We gon' play that nice and smooth. Bustin' a rhyme all of the time, 'cause I got a lot of trap called questions.